I've had my rigid drills for about 7 or 8 years now. And it was time to replace the batteries. So I found this replacement 2-pack of battery R840085. So I got these because I really, instead of replacing my drills, just wanted some new batteries. And I found there was a couple of off-brand options, but if you're like me, you really want the OEM name brand thing. So I went out and I got these. So far, really happy with them. They're as good as the originals. You can kind of see here the rigid brand and the model numbers on there. Um, you can also probably see that I use them a lot. They're beat up already. Um, but again, if you're looking for good quality OEM rigid replacement batteries, these are the ones to get.